Welcome back. Today we are answering a key question in genomic, that is what is reference genome and why it is so important in next generation sequencing, that is NGS research. Let's understand what is reference genome. A reference genome is a digital DNA sequence that acts as a standard or template for a species. Think of it as a map, a blueprint of an organism genetic code created by assembling and combining DNA from several individuals to represent the typical set of genes for that species. For example, the human reference genome is a mosaic built from many of the people's DNA, not just one person. Now let's understand how is it used in NGS. When scientists use NGS to sequence DNA, they generate millions of tiny DNA fragments called reads. These reads are compared and aligned to the reference genome. This helps researchers and scientists quickly identify difference like mutations or variant between the samples and the standard reference. Without a reference genome, analyzing and assembly all those DNA fragments would be much more difficult and time consuming. If you're wondering why does it matters, using a reference genome allows us to detect genetic differences linked to diseases or traits. It also speeds up genome assembly and analysis. It also standardizes research so scientists worldwide can compare the results. But remember, reference genome is the best estimate. It doesn't capture every bit of genetic diversity in the species. That's why scientists are always updating and improving these references as new data comes. So in NGS research, a reference genome is your essential guide for making sense of sequencing data. It is the foundation for discovering what makes each of us genetically unique. Got questions about how reference genome are built, how they are used in clinical research? Drop them in the comment and don't forget to subscribe for more bioinformatics content.